Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and I wanted to explain to you something that I have planned for the future of this channel. And what it's going to be is a series, or episodes, if you will, where I take you on a journey with me to making more money. And what I'm going to title this series is going to be A Journey to $1 Million. And the reason I'm titling it this way is because I believe, first of all, in reaching for the stars, and $1 million seems like the stars to me. So we're going to title it that, A Journey to $1 Million. And what I want to do in this series is basically show you different ways that I generate money online, and they're going to be pretty varied. So it's going to be everything from the real low-end websites where you may make $1 here, $1 there, to kind of the higher end websites and things that can really generate a lot of money for you. I'm talking thousands of dollars, and where you can really earn a full-time income. So I want to take you through the entire spectrum, and I'm hoping that through this series that you're going to be able to follow along with me and follow my journey, and hopefully take advantage of some of the programs that I show you, and start making money yourself and start your own journey towards $1 million. So that's really what I want to do with this series. I plan on uploading a video every day showing you a new product or a new website, or basically a new way of generating money online. And then we'll also revisit a few of them as it progresses, and I'll show you my income from each of those different websites. And I'm going to be uploading a video every day, every weekday, Monday through Friday. And so make sure that if you're interested in this, to go ahead and subscribe, and then click the bell notification so that you know when I come out with a new video, and so that you can just follow along with me on this journey. Okay? So to get started, this is going to be the first episode today, and I'm just going to show you one of the websites that I've used in the past quite a bit. I've actually shown it on this channel quite a bit as well, so you might be familiar with it, but we're just going to start off with that one today for today's episode. And once again, all of my websites and anything that I'm showing you, I'm going to link it down in the description below, so you can click on that link and follow right along and start making your own money as well. And so I'm going to switch over to the computer here, and I'm going to show you this website here. It's called Paid Viewpoint. Like I said, I've used this a lot in the past. It's one of my favorite websites. It is free to use, free to sign up, and it's basically a survey website. But the good thing about this is that all the surveys you're pre-qualified for. So if you have a survey waiting for you, like I do here, then you're going to be able to take that survey and make money with it. You don't go through wasting your time, basically, and then find out that you're not qualified for the survey. Okay, so let me show you this real quick. I've already logged into my account. Like I said, it's free, and I'm going to link it in the description box below. And it says here I have one survey waiting. I'm just going to show you how this works and what you can expect. Now, I've already filled out my profile, and in the profile you're asked different questions. So a lot of these questions are going to be asking me right here are going to be basically checking to make sure I am who I am. So here it is. You are a female, and you are how old? Okay, how many of the following treatments or procedures have you undergone? And they have a list of them here. I have not done any of those. Which of the following museums, if any, have you visited in the past year? I haven't visited a museum in a while. Okay, do you ever shop for t-shirts in any of the following places? A local shop, and I've gone to Cafe Press before. Which of the following activities or hobbies do you enjoy? Please indicate which of the following types of stores you shop at regularly. Okay. Number 7, which company provides your household's cable or satellite TV service? See how easy these questions are? I love it. I don't see, oh, there it is. So these are real simple questions, not that hard to do, and really don't take that much time. How would you describe your living situation? I live with my family. Which of the following brands of household cleaners do you typically use? And have you coped with or helped someone else cope with any of the following conditions? So they ask these questions a lot, and it's always different as far as the answers down here. So this is a no for me. And number 11, do you have an account with any of the following to create and launch surveys? No, I don't. Okay, so that's it. Oh, no, there's another one. Excuse me. Which of the following party supplies have you purchased in the past 5 years? 5 years? Oh. Okay. All right. That's a long time. Okay. How many helium tanks for inflating balloons yourself have you purchased in the past year? In the past year, none. Okay, lastly, you will be shown a new product description and then ask a few questions about your thoughts on this possible new product. Please read through the brief description carefully before you move on to the questions. Click Next to see the product idea. So here they're going to show me a product image, which is a helium tank. Okay, so I'm just going to look at it a little bit. Okay, this is a small helium tank similar to those you may have seen or used in the past for filling up balloons at home. This tank inflates up to 10 regular latex balloons and can be found in the party aisle. Okay, great. How much do you like or dislike this new product? I mean, it's fine, I guess. What would you expect to reasonably price for this product in US dollars? I don't know, 20? If this new product were available at a price of $22.99, how interested would you be in buying this product? $22.99, I guess, probably. Please select from the following list only words that begin with the letter O. Okay, so this is a quality control question. They'll do this on occasion just to make sure you're not a robot and that you're really paying attention to the questions. So, alright, so there you go. So I earned 62 cents just from that one alone, and that one was a little longer than normal. So as you can see, although that only took a few minutes, so not a big deal. 62 cents, pretty good. I log into this particular website at least twice a day. Sometimes I have it open in my tab as well, because what happens is you will get a survey like you just saw. I had one waiting right up here, but it'll go away after a certain amount of time if you don't take the survey. So you want to make sure you're checking this pretty often. So if you don't leave it open in one of your tabs on your computer, you need to log in at least twice a day. That's what I recommend. I do it in the morning, and then I come back in the evening, and then I do keep it open on my tab, but I make it a point of coming back at those 2 times just to check. And as you can see, I've earned a lot already. I'm going to show you, because I've been meaning to do this for a while, I'm going to show you how easy it is to cash out, which we're going to go here. And here you can see my lifetime earnings of over $100. Okay, so here we are. Once you get to $20, you can cash out. And here's your choices to cash out: PayPal, Amazon, or a Walmart gift card. Depending on what country you're in, you may not be able to use the PayPal. I I'm in America, so I'm able to use it. So that's what I always do. And so all you got to do is click over here. And like I said, I'm doing, I currently have $24.46. And then I'm going to cash out. And as you can see, my little piggy bank has been broken. I now have $0 because it has been cashed out. And so I should see that in my PayPal account. It usually shows up within a day, sometimes even quicker for me. So that's it. That's Paid Viewpoint. Like I said, this is just episode 1 of the journey to $1 million. And I'm going to be showing you things like this every weekday. And I'm also going to be showing you, like I said, some of the other ways that I generate money online. And those are really the ways that I make a full-time income. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you're going to enjoy the series. I hope you're going to follow along with me and make your own money. And I'm excited for this series. I hope you are. So make sure you subscribe so that we can start this journey together. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next episode, which will be uploaded tomorrow. See you then.